Good day, class. So, welcome to our Mathematics 6 class with Teacher Marian. So, before we start, let's have our prayer. Maybe through your blessings, add purity to the world, subtract evil from our lives, multiply the good news of your Son, and divide your gifts and share them with others. Amen. Let's have our song. Math is a part of our everyday lives. Wonderful surprises right before our very eyes. Math time, it's math time. Next, let's have our poem. Mathematics about me. Numbers, numbers all around. Everywhere they can be found. Numbers tell how old I am and how many people in my fam. How much I weigh and just how tall, where I live, and that's not all. Numbers are a part of me. Money, time, and history. How much money something costs, a number to call if my dog gets lost. I don't know where I would be if numbers were not a part of me. So, we have our golden rules. Most important golden rule is to always smile. So, get ready with your drill board and pen. If you don't have any, you can use any paper. And of course, your ball pen or pencil. Let's have the first one. So I want you to choose the lowest term of 8 over 10. You have 15 seconds. Go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So the answer is 4 over 5. That's correct. Next. What is the lowest term of 25 over 50? 25 over 50. The answer is 1 over 2. You are correct. Next. Lowest term of 9 over 27. 9 over 27. If your answer is 1 over 3, you are correct. Next number. 21 over 49. 21 over 49. What is the lowest term of 21 over 49? If your answer is 3 over 7, great job! Last number. 16 over 20. 16 over 20. What is the lowest term of 16 over 20? 4 over 5? Math amazing! So now let's have a review. All you need to do is to identify whether the two the two fractions are similar or dissimilar. Let's have the first one. But before that, you can do the WOW if the numbers or the fractions are similar. It means if they have the same denominator. And then do the DAB if they are dissimilar or they don't have the same denominator. Let's have the first number. 1 over 10, 6 over 10. Similar or dissimilar? Okay, the answer is whoa, similar fractions. Number 2. 4 over 16, 4 over 17. The answer is dissimilar fractions. Take note that in telling whether the fraction is similar or dissimilar, you should always look at the denominator, not on the numerator. So, if we can see 16 and 17, they are the similar numbers. Next, 12 over 34, 12 over 36. 12 over 34, 12 over 36. The answer is dissimilar fractions. Next, 12 over 20, 1 over 20, or 9 over 20. Okay, if you do the whoa, you are correct. Next number, 2 over 50, 1 over 50, and 50 over 40. Is that similar fractions or dissimilar fractions? Okay, so the answer is dissimilar fractions. Great job! So for our targets for today, in the whole duration of the class, the pupils will be able to distinguish similar fractions. So we're done with that. Identify the steps in adding similar and mixed fractions. And lastly, solve equations in adding similar and mixed fractions. So at the end of the lesson, you will know how to add similar fractions. Story time! So I want you to meet Anna, and she wants to say hello to everyone. And Anna loves to bake some food. One of those is this pizza. So she bakes some pizza for her friends and family. One day, she met with her friends Tina and Tonyo. So hi Tina and hi Tonyo. She gave Tina 2 parts of the pizza and Tonyo 3 parts of the pizza. Now, Anna wants your help, or she needs your help. She wants to know how many parts of the pizza were given to Tina and Tonyo. I know that you are all ready to help Tina and Tonyo. Hop in. Let the adventure begin. So let's try this one. In adding similar fractions, all you need to do is to copy the denominator and then add the numerator. So in this case, we're going to copy the denominator, and our denominator is 20. And then all we need to do with the numerator is to add it. 13 plus 4 is equal to 17. So the answer is 17 over 20. Next. Okay, this one, 5 over 14 plus 2 over 14 plus 2 over 14. Try it using your pen and paper. Again, all you need to do is to copy the denominator, then add the numerators. First thing that we should do is to copy the denominator, write down 14, and then add all the numerator. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 2 is 9. So the answer is 9 over 14. Next one, how about this one? This is a mixed fraction because we have whole numbers. So just like what we did a while ago, all we need to do with the fraction part, copy the denominator, add the numerator, and you will also add the whole numbers. Let's first add the whole numbers. 5 plus 2 is 7. Next, copy the denominator. The denominator is 5. And then add the numerator. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the final answer is 7 and 2 over 5. Another example. Add the whole numbers. 10 plus 2 is 12. Copy the denominator, which is 9. Then add the numerators. 3 plus 2 is 5. So the answer is 12 and 5 over 9. How about this one? Add the following, then draw your answer in the circle. So with this one, all we need to do is to copy the denominator, which is 4, and then add the numerator. 2 plus 1 is 3. So let's do this drawing. The first thing that we should do is to divide this circle into 4 parts because our denominator is 4. 4 equal parts. After dividing, our numerator is 3. It means that we should shade 3 parts of this circle. 1, 2, and then last one. So our answer is 3 over 4. Next, add the following, then draw your answer in the box. So the first thing that we should do is to copy the denominator, which is 8, and then add the numerator. 5 plus 2 is 7. Now, let's draw it. So all we need to do is to divide this box into 8 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then let's divide it into half. So we have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then based on our answer, our numerator is 7. So we will shade 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, next. So let's draw your answer with this one. So all you need to do is to combine the shaded part. You have 10 seconds and then we will do this. Okay, so the first thing that we should do is to draw, white. Let's use white. Holy kita. So let's draw rectangle with 6 parts. And then the first thing that we should do is to shade. So in the first one, 2 shaded parts. And then on the second one is 3 shaded part. 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 5 over 6. Next question is, how do we add simple fractions? So from the example that we had a while ago, all we need to do in order to add simple fractions or even mixed numbers is to copy their denominators and then add the numerators. So you can write their lowest term or simplest form if necessary. So now we are ready to help Anna in getting how many parts of the pizza were given to Tina and Tonyo. Okay, so Tina got 2 over 6 or 2 parts of the pizza, while Tonyo got 3 parts of the pizza. So all we need to do is to add 2 over 6 plus 3 over 6. As we said a while ago, in adding simple fractions, all we need to do is to copy the denominator, which is 6, and then add the numerator. 2 plus 3 is 5. So the final answer is 5 over 6. Anna is very happy that you were able to help her. Now let us try. 12 over 15 plus 1 over 15. So all you need to do, copy the denominator, then add the numerator. So the answer is 13 over 15. Next, 6 and 6 over 36 plus 2 and 17 over 36. So add the whole number. 6 plus 2 is 8. Add the numerator. 6 plus 17 is 23. Then copy the denominator. So the final answer is 8 and 23 over 36. Next, add the following. 4 over 100 plus 14 and 3 over 100 is equal to, since 4 over 100 does not have a whole number, all we need to do is to copy 14. Then add 4 plus 3 is 7 and copy the denominator. So the final answer is 14 and 4 over 100. Next, add the following, then draw your answer. So with this one, let's just copy the denominator, then add the numerator. 1 plus 6 is 7. And then let's do this in this circle. Let's divide the circle into 8. 8 parts. They should be equal. And then let us shade 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, copy the denominator and then add. So we will divide this into 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then let us shade 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, for your assignment, you can add the following. You can pause in this time of the video to answer this. You can comment down your answers. That's it for today, Mathdali buddies. See you on our next math exciting and math amazing activities. Goodbye!